Hello, students. Welcome to Avid Education Academy. Today, we will learn about motion, focusing on distance, displacement, and velocity. Let us begin. When an object changes its position with time, it is said to be in motion. जब कोई वस्तु समय के साथ अपनी स्थिति बदलती है, तो उसे गति में कहा जाता है. Let us first understand what is distance. Distance is the total path covered by an object, regardless of the direction. It is a scalar quantity. Scalar means it has only magnitude and no direction. मान लीजिए आप 3 किलोमीटर पूर्व की ओर चलते हैं और फिर 3 किलोमीटर पश्चिम लौटते हैं. Then the total distance is 6 kilometers. Now let us talk about displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of an object. It is a vector quantity. Vector means it has both magnitude and direction. In the same example, if you return to your starting point, your displacement is 0. यानी displacement में दिशा और आरंभिक व अंतिम बिंदु का अंतर मायने रखता है. Let us now compare. Distance is scalar. Displacement is vector. Distance is always positive, but displacement can be positive, negative, or 0. Now we will understand speed and velocity. Average speed is the total distance traveled divided by total time taken. It tells us how fast an object is moving but does not consider direction. Velocity is the displacement divided by time. It is a vector quantity because it considers direction. Velocity equals displacement divided by time. So remember, speed is scalar, velocity is vector. Speed does not tell direction, but velocity does. Let us take some simple examples. A car moves 100 meters forward and then 100 meters back. Total distance is 200 meters. But displacement is 0 since the car is back at the starting point. If you walk from home to school and school is 2 kilometers away, then distance is 2 kilometers and displacement is also 2 kilometers in the direction of school. Let us now do a quick recap. Question 1. If a person runs around a circular track and comes back to the same point, what is the displacement? Answer: 0. Question 2. Is velocity scalar or vector? Answer: velocity is vector. Question 3. A boy walks 4 kilometers north and then 3 kilometers south. What is the displacement? Answer: 1 kilometer north. That's it for today's class. If you found this lesson helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to Avid Education Academy. Press the bell icon to get updates on our next science videos. Keep learning and keep practicing. This is Avid Education Academy signing off.